This soft skill is very important, and this can take your career to the next level. Hello, everyone. I am Colonel Amrik Singh. I am a telecom professional for the past 33 years. For the past 10 years that I'm in the corporate sector, I've been involved in rolling out Pan-India Greenfield Network for various organizations, wherein we have made the complete Pan-India IP/MPLS network, has also created various data centers, implemented cloud, big data, and things like that. I am currently working in a telecom company in Delhi NCR. But what I'm essentially going to talk about today is something which cannot be taught in the classroom. And it is very important for professionals to have soft skill. Now, soft skills are something which cannot be measured, but they can be proven. These soft skills, if you have, they help you building relationship, gaining reputation, and creating more opportunities for you to develop. So I'm going to talk about some 5 soft skills which everyone must possess. The first being the communication skill. Now let me tell you that why you need to communicate effectively. You need to communicate effectively both verbal and written. This is very important for your workplace or college or department where you're working. They can create a positive image of yours if you write well, if you communicate well. It improves your chances of building relationship. Communication skills also boost your performance. If you can express who, why, what, when, where, how of a project, you will be a hot ticket in your organization. The next soft skill which I want to talk about is be a team player. You need to be a team player. Now, why do I say this? I say this because no one by himself can do work or any project successful or make it successful by himself. You need a team. You need a team and you have to be part of the team. And many people working in the group, if they have the skill and they'll work in a cohesive team for any project or anything which you're doing, you have to be a team player. So if it's a win, it's a collective win. Now, how does one be a team player? You can always lend a help to your friend and say, hey, I see you have a ton on a plate. Can I be of help to you? Or you can cover for your colleague. Suppose your colleague had to go on a sudden leave and he has left some work behind. You can cover up for him. You can take on his work and try to perform. And the third and the important thing which I want to talk about in the team player is that you have to take, as a team player, you have to take responsibility of your actions. Whatever happens, good, bad, ugly, you have to take responsibility for your actions. The third which I want to talk about is that adapt to new challenges. Adaptability means that you adapt, which if I put it simply, it means you have to be flexible. Now, you'll ask me why flexible. Now, things don't go always as per the plan. Things always go haywire, and you can't be sitting and grumbling and complaining about things, how things are not working. So, if you have the soft skill of adapting to the new challenges, you take it as a challenge. Mind you, a good leader will always look for a solution and not fuel a problem. So, push yourself to be more flexible, learn and adapt to new technologies. The fourth soft skill which I would like to talk about is problem solving. Now this skill is that you have to be a problem solver. When anything goes wrong, either you complain or you do something about it. It's that taking action or solving a problem is what is going to get you noticed in any organization. Always approach your boss with a solution and not with the problem. The fifth soft skill is critical thinking. This soft skill is very important and this can take your career to the next level, which means that critical thinking is essentially to bring new ideas. It means to think about positives and negatives of every idea. So develop your critical thinking skills, and the way you can develop your critical thinking is only by learning. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.